Hey guys, it's Michael with Mealey Marine, and in today's video I'm going to be showing all the work we've done on this Skeeter Fx21. This is a really good customer of ours, and he's had his boat in the shop a lot. I've tried making videos in the past, and I have a bunch of footage. Well, I did, and then I dropped my external hard drive and I lost everything. So I just wanted to go through, show you guys the capabilities we have here at Mealey Marine. Kind of differentiates us from everybody else, and also our quick turnaround time. So let's go ahead and start in the back. We installed a power pole lights from Russell Marine Products. It's a pretty cool little product. One thing we also did is we installed these there's two eye bolts on either side of the jack plate, and that is for his strap, because on these Skeeters with this big butt at the back, pretty much the cover doesn't like sit down and then it ends up flopping up and stuff. So we put that, you know, it makes it a little bit lower and easier to strap on. Climb up here. This is all the work that we just recently did. He was having some battery issues, and so we went and we tested all the batteries and we charged them all up and made sure everything was working. We filled them with distilled water and all that, and we labeled them all, even though that back one's labeled TE. I wrote the 3 upside down. So we're going to fix that, but yeah, it's all done up. He also has a Mealey Marine wiring harness with here's the circuit breakers. Moving on to the front of the boat, he has our Mealey Marine dual console mount here, which if you guys haven't seen this, you loosen. What's cool about these two is you can pull these down and move this handle without actually loosening it or tightening it. So you can loosen it and slide them back and forth. These ones are he has them set where they want, so the wires, but it slides back and forth, left and right, and yeah, so it gives you a lot of flexibility. If you're outside the boat and want to look at your graph, you can turn the graph facing towards you. But like I said, he has his set. So we also installed a bunch of LED lights throughout the boat. There's one underneath the console here, and then one over there, and then same on this side. There is also one underneath the seat, that passenger seat. So we've done that as well. Something we've done for him that isn't even on the market, no one's ever done this, is we made a tool holder, I guess like straightener. On these Skeeters, it cants over like this, and your pliers fall out every time you hit a wave. So we 3D printed that, and there's also one on the other side you'll see when I walk around the corner. So we've done that as well. Moving up to the front now, this is the craziest, most outrageous thing we've ever done on a boat. This gentleman, we installed 2 Activetargets, all right, and he has these bass tank little cover things. Another great idea, wish I'd came up with it. And he has our Mealey Marine dual stack mount, which gives you left and right, up and down, and 360 degree turn. And another reason why he came today is he wanted to put some switches on his Activetargets. And so we went ahead and we fabricated this. There's no other shop doing this around here. And they're labeled AT1, AT2. They're up under here, they're protected, and you can also see the light when you're fishing. You can see it down through here. I'll put a link once, or put a picture once we're done there. So instead of it being a tool holder, since it's up underneath that console, we made it a little tray where you can put his baits, and then we also put like little hook hangers so we can hang his hooks. And they're pretty sturdy. The first ones we made, I'm not gonna lie, they did not last. So yeah, that's about it. I know I'm missing some stuff. We've done so much to this boat. These LED lights are from a local company here, Plash Lights. They're out of Dickinson, Texas, which is just down the street from my house. And they're really, really good people. And if you're looking for high quality LED lights, that guy has them all. And then there's the light up underneath the seat. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the walkthrough. If you did, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Most of our content is not installations. Most of our content is full restorations. We have a 361V that we're doing a full restore on for a customer here. We've got a Champion over there, and we got a 361V or 363V over here that we just finished up restoring. So if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to check those videos out. And until next week, guys.